Just when you thought ChatGPT is just another chatbot to talk to and ask weird questions and facts, it proved that it can handle more than just talking and completing basic tasks. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. OpenAI has unveiled GPT-5.4-Cyber, a variant of its latest flagship model, which is specifically fine-tuned for defensive cybersecurity work. This came just after rival Anthropic announced its new AI model Mythos on April 7. Mythos is being marketed as part of Anthropic's Project Glasswing, a controlled initiative under which selected organizations are permitted to use the unreleased Claude Mythos preview model for defensive cybersecurity purposes. And it's already found thousands of major vulnerabilities in operating systems, web browsers, and other software. And now, OpenAI, creator of popular chatbot ChatGPT, said that GPT-5.4-Cyber will initially be rolled out on a limited basis to vetted security vendors, organizations, and researchers because of its more permissive design. The company is also expanding its Trusted Access for Cyber program to thousands of verified individual defenders and hundreds of teams who work with critical softwares. OpenAI is also adding new tiers to its TAC program, which was launched in February, with higher levels of verification, unlocking more powerful capabilities. Users approved for the highest tier will gain access to GPT-5.4-Cyber, which has fewer restrictions on sensitive cybersecurity tasks such as vulnerability research and analysis. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.